Sem conhecer produto de Swatch, você seguro que você enamorado e o qual tem opção não. Se você buscando algo como um gente homem, você tem uma coleção enorme para escolher for DJ. Você buscando algo para gente mulher, também tem algo que seguro, tá grita bom nome. E para muitas não é papia mesmo, que é um locinho perfeito para assim, até muita sim, lesse o longe. Ou seja, entre muralha aqui você tem algo para tur gente e seguro algo para esse aqui.
This is a very unique store. It is cutting edge, and this is the newest concept for Swatch on a global basis. And it is the very first store of this design, freestanding on the islands in the Caribbean. We have a variety of products, something for everyone from 8 to 80. Really, it's suitable for the kids. We have our Flick Flack line, which was first introduced in 1987, and it was actually created by 2 American educators. And some great product, very colorful, a basic price point, and a Swiss quality. We have a lot of different designs, and it's one of the few products in the Swatch group that is licensed. So we work with Disney, we work with Cartoon Network. The trend for watches in general is getting larger, and right now we're seeing the trend for the see-through in the movement itself. So we have several models which enable the user or the wearer to actually see the mechanics of the watch and really creates an element of art. We're also seeing the larger trend on a bulkier product. This is one of our newest releases. It's a scuba watch, and it's actually water resistant to 200 meters. So it's excellent for this environment with the water in the beach and the pool environment. And we have some fun colors, very colorful and comfortable strap made of silicone. And in this section, something a little bit different, we have our double tours, which are designed to wrap around the wrist twice and really gives a sense of a true fashion accessory on your wrist. We actually started producing metal watches in 1994, and it's something very different for the company. We've always been a very plastic-driven company, but within the metals, it still retains the same flavor of Swatch. We're very colorful, and we still have the texture for the fashion, whatever that trend may be for the current season. We also try to do some very innovative product as well, and I'll start off here with our touch watches. And these are digital. They have numerous functions to them, but as you notice, there's actually no buttons on these watches, and they are operated by a touch technology similar to your cell phone. Metals, we have a variety of product in different sizes. We only use stainless steel or an aluminum, and they're nickel-free products, so people that are very sensitive to metals will not have an issue wearing our product since it is hypoallergenic, which is very, very important to us to ensure the quality of the goods. And still we continue to have that fashion flair with the different colors in the bright, vibrant. As I mentioned before, the trend of watches is getting a little bit larger, so to accommodate that, we have some new beautiful product that was just released for fall, which we'll find here. And we use a combination of multiple colors, such as the gold and stainless steel with the black accents, which is really on trend right now for fashion.